Yeah, yes, warm good evening to everyone present here. Is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir, it's audible, sir.
Thank you. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable presence, and I thank development members and as well as Indian Mathematics Professors Association providing me for this great opportunity, and so thank our participants for reasonable listening. In yesterday's session, we concepts is a uh, introduction about the AI, and we have a thing there is noise.
Sir, your voice is not clear. Please check the network connection.
Yeah, just wait, ma'am. I will rectify that. Yeah, good evening to everyone. Is it okay?
Yes, fine, sir. Fine.
Sir, it's fine, sir.
Yeah,
You can continue, sir.
thank you, ma'am. Yeah, in yesterday's session, we saw about the many concepts like basic introduction of AI like artificial intelligence, and how to implement artificial intelligence on our education system. And we have seen what are all the benefits and what are all the scope available for the AI. And also we have done hands-on session. On the particular hands-on session, we have seen the many concepts like how to build the course objective or lesson plan, and the course description, and lecture how to prepare the lecture notes, and as well as how to prepare the question bank, like the concepts we seen in yesterday's session. In today's session, we have several agenda. So, like how to create an intermediate quiz for asking the for interactive session, and how to create an assignment and seminar questionnaires, and as well as how to create the project idea on the particular uh, subject, and as well as we will see so many other AI tools like Education Copilot, and Chat PDF, and Dome AI, and Kahoot, Roshi dot AI, and TeacherPod AI. Okay, so we'll see in today's session we will see some other tools like ChatGPT. Okay, so I, I thank our advisory team for providing me this great opportunity to interact the professors forum. Okay, so don't waste the time. We will jump up into the interactive session. Yeah, is the screen is visible, man?
No, sir. Actually, actual screen was not visible, sir. There are multiple tabs are opened, and yes, sir. Now it's opened, sir. It is in a chat GBT.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so this is a overview of an yesterday's session. So in yesterday's session, we have built the lesson plan, and we have built the course description. We have built the lecture notes, and as well as a question bank for this formats. Okay, so we'll continue on yesterday's. We have pre-agenda on yesterday's session. We'll complete that particular agenda of yesterday's session, and we'll move on to the today's agenda. Okay. So yesterday we have missed the how to be an interactive session for our students community. So we need to create the intermediate ways for the our session time. Okay. So in our session time, if you ask in the normal education or normal teaching process, we are asked question from our students community. So like intermediate of session, we have asked some question like what is a graph and what is a cycle and what is a some blah blah question asked for our students for assessment. Okay, so if you use these AI tools for our assessment process, so this will be interactive one. So we suggest in this interactive session we need to use chat gpt plus kahoot. I hope all of you are aware about Kahoot. Kahoot is one of the AI-based forum. So this will create the questions. We can create the question, and we will make our session is interactive one. Okay, so just wait. How to we'll see. Yeah. So just write some prompt. This yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday we have inputted our syllabus. Just provide five intermediate. Yeah, yes. So this is an intermediate. Already we have generated the MCQ. So just copy this MCQ and paste it over to our Kahoot. Yeah. So this is a Kahoot. This is one of the interactive forum. So we can create live views for the students community. So just I have copied this. So what is key difference between finite and infinite graph, and also I have copied the options. So like so this is our options. So just copy and paste it over here. Finite graphs have a more vertices. Also copy the second option, paste it to the second option, and third option is infinite graphs, which is simpler. Fourth one. Yeah. So this is our questionnaire. Just we can will check through the answers. So question number 13. So the question number 13, the B is the option. So just so this is the correct answer. So just click that. So we can share this question to our students community. If you share this question to your class, so the students will attend this question. So the answer will be displayed on your screen. Okay, so who is first attended and who is get the highest score, and who is the person getting the second score, and who is the person getting the third score. So like that, the the name will be visible in your window. So this will make the class will be an interactive one. Okay, so we can use this Kahoot for during the class hours. Okay, so next we have Mr. SK Sajanta, like how to prepare the assignment question. Yeah. So provide. So we can ask assignment question as well for the chat GPT. Okay, so provide 25 assignment question from graph theory syllabus. Already we have inputted the syllabus in yesterday. So just I have mentioned the graph from the graph theory syllabus. Okay, so just we can enter. So it provide the 25 assignment question. Okay, so this is an assignment question for uh, our syllabus. So define graph in its component, explain the difference between directed and undirected graph. If you want the real life based assignment question, so just we can change the prompt. Okay, so just we have mentioned real life application based assignment question. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a just so this is a assignment question for the applications of transportation networks. So graph theory is applied in the transportation networks. So this is an our assignment question. Explain how graph theory can be used to optimize the transportation networks like road system. This is the first question. And second question, provide an example of real cities road network and discuss possible improvements. Okay, so in the transportation networks we have this question. And the second one, so this is a assignment question for the social networks. Analyze the social network using graph theory concepts, and how can graph theory help in identifying the influential users or communities. Okay, so this is our assignment question. Okay, so like that we can generate many assignment question through the chat GPT. Okay, so like that our students will be gain our knowledge through knowledge in our assignments. Okay, so the same similar process applicable for the seminar questionnaire. So just provide 20 real life based seminar question. Just I have asked seminar question. So just yeah. So this is a seminar based questions. Okay. So the first question, climate change. What are all the most significant consequences of climate change, and how can we individuals and communities contribute to uh, efforts? And artificial intelligence, how is artificial intelligence impacting the industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, like that? We can generate the seminar question as well. Okay, if you want the graph theory, so just you should put the graph theory, mention the graph theory in your prompt. So this will display the graph theory based seminar questionnaire. Okay, so then the project idea, so provide small project idea or working model. Okay, so just I have asked the question. Provide the working model idea for graph theory. So just you can enter. Yeah. So this is a graph representation and traversal simulator. So this is our project working model by using the graph theory. If you suggest this smallest project in your students community, they will be very interested to do this. Okay, so that's why if you provide this mini project, that the students will happy to learn. Okay, so that's why we provide this concept here. Okay, so just we can creating a working model. This is our question. So creating a working model for a graph theory can be fun and educational project. Here's an idea of a simple working model that demonstrate some fundamental concepts of graph theory. Okay, so this is our question. So graph representation and traversal simulator. Okay, so here we can get the objective of this particular project model, and we have what are all the materials used for this. So poster board and a large piece of cardboard and colored markers. We have several materials, and these are all the instruction to develop the particular working model. Okay, so based on this we can create a working model for our students community. Okay, so these are all the agenda we have studying missed that. Okay, so is there any queries regarding in yesterday's agenda?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, yes. Good evening, sir.
Uh, Sir, my request is actually whatever the commands you typed from yesterday, is it possible that you either paste on the chat window or you can share that? Because few are some words are important. The way what you are putting, these are very important words.
Yeah,
So we may forget it. Okay.
sure, sir, sure.
Okay.
So we will share that chat prompt also, sir.
Yes, that is better, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure. Is there any other queries?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Even we are giving the assignments from this. The students also the same thing. They will copy and submit. Is it any? Yeah. Even we are doing
Yes, sir. Yes,
we are
sir.
yeah, artificial work, but even students also may copy. But is there any solution for that, or you have to customize or anything?
Yes, sir. We are in
Yes,
computer era. The
yes,
students are very expert in this field.
yes, yes, sir.
So we will provide the working model, sir. So
Okay.
if it is a working model as an assignment,
Uh-huh.
then he or she should do that particular working model.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in our
Okay.
college, we are providing an assignment. It's only for working model.
Oh, okay. Assignment means it is a difficult. Working model means they have to do that, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. That is an
Okay.
assignment work. So
Right. Right.
the
Mm.
students need to create any working model by using the particular subject.
Yes. Sure, sir. Thank you.
So by that we can create the mathematics laboratory as well. So as of now there is no mathematical laboratory. So by using our subject, we can create a smaller amount of mathematical laboratory. What are all the concepts available in our literature? We can create small working model. So this will easiest for learning. Learning.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah,
Sure, sir. Thank you.
sure. Sir. Is there any other queries? Shall we move the today's agenda? Okay, I hope there is no queries. Okay, so in today's agenda, I will see some other AI tools like a ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT is one of the AI tools play the major role. So we'll see some other AI tools like Education Copilot and Chat PDF and Tome AI, Kahoot and Rosie AI and Teacher Spot AI, and we have Perplexity and Explain Paper. So like that, we have several AI tools available. So we'll see. In today's session, we'll see what are all the tools are available in our library. Okay. So just next one is we'll move on to the Perplexity. So the Perplexity is a similar tool as a Chat GPT. Okay, so the mechanism of both is same. Okay, so we can use the Chat GPT and as well as Perplexity in the same manner. So that Chat GPT is one of the chatting AI. So the Perplexity is also one of the chat based AI. Okay, so here we have one of the advantage. Okay, so in Chat GPT we can't get the reference. So, but Perplexity will collect the reference from the chat. Okay, so in a chat, suppose we'll say one of the example. Yeah, so we have created project title. So like provide the working model idea for graph theory. This is my prompt. So ChatGPT provide this particular content. So we don't know where this content is located, but in Perplexity, so we'll get an reference. Okay, so just I have asked the same similar question here. So just I have asked. So this is a Perplexity. Yeah, the provide working model idea for the graph theory. Here I didn't input my syllabus, so that's why the Perplexity provide the generic content. Okay, so the generic content means the network analysis. So this is not in our syllabus. So the game theory and social network analysis, these are all the concepts. It's not available in our syllabus. Okay, so the same similar manner, if you inputted our syllabus and if you ask a prompt like that, So this is also provide some content. Okay, so here we will get some reference. Okay, so these are all the reference. Okay, for example, here we have one of the YouTube videos available. So in this YouTube video we can refer this particular YouTube video. Yeah, so from this YouTube video, so this content is located, and this is another one reference, graph theory and its uses with 5 examples of real life. Okay, so this is a next example of um, this is a next reference, and we have a around 6 reference used for so making this content. Okay, so the only one advantage from the chat gpt is here we can allocate the reference. Okay, so that is one of the advantage for chat gpt and as well as perplexity. Okay, so this is one of the same ai tool like a chat gpt. Okay, so that's why we have made this. Okay, so we can use chat gpt and as well as perplexity as well. Okay, so both are provide the same similar task. Okay, so based on the time consistent, we move on to some other tools. So this is similar to chat gpt, that's why we have stopped over here. Okay, so next we move on to education copilot. So the education copilot is one of the uh, best tool for an education. Okay, so in yesterday's session we are getting we are build the lesson plan, lecture notes, and as well as um, question bank like that. So in if you use the education copilot, there's this only one forum provide all the content. Okay, so just we'll see. Yeah, so this is a home page of education copilot. So I will provide the handouts. So what is the exact link? So this is an education copilot. So just zoomed here. Okay, so this is a website. Okay, so this is after logging this website. So this is a home page here. So just we move on to the workshop. So in this workshop tab, we have several tools. Okay, so like a recipe builder, quiz builder, lesson planner, educational handouts, PowerPoint generator, context builder, idea generator, AI freestyle, real world benefits, project generator, writing prompts, student reports, parent emails. So like that, we have several tools available in this one forum. Okay, so just we move on to this recipe builder. Okay, so just we can ask introduction to
Sir, is it a free or paid?
sir, this is a limited version. We can
Okay.
generate 5 documents from one login.
Okay, only 5.
If you want to more, you need to
Great to
create
know.
this.
Hmm.
So that's why we introduced this later one. So yeah, so this is an introduction to graph theory. So we need to provide the grade level. So undergraduate, or you can put the postgraduate as well. So that syllabus is an undergraduate level. So just we can create the lesson plan, PowerPoint, context builder, and education handouts. So I want the PowerPoint. So introduction to graph theory. So just we hit the generate resources. It's take a little bit time.
Good evening, sir. Sir, Perplexity is open source?
Yeah, Perplexity is an open source, ma'am.
Okay.
It's look like a chat GPT. Just wait for a few seconds. This is loading. Yeah, just we can check. So these are all the content I have already generated. So like I have generated. So this is a graph theory education handouts. Okay, so this is a handout material I have generated from the education copilot. So this is a handout. So what is a graph theory and the examples of graph theory and applications of graph theory, advancements in graph theory. So like that we have already generated, and so this is a lesson plan generated from the education copilot. So this is a lesson plan. The students will learn the basic graph theory and its applications in computer science. So this is our aim, and these are all the objective. Students will able to define and explain graph, and students will able to different types of graphs and explain their properties like that. These are all the objective, and these are all the possible materials needed. We need a textbook and graph paper and graph theory vocabulary sheets and graph theory PowerPoint presentation, short video on graph theory. Okay, so this is the anticipatory set. Okay, like that. So this is a modeled practice and guided practice. Okay, so like that we can generate the lesson plan as well. So this is a lecture notes. So this is a lecture notes from I have generated this lecture note from the education copilot. Okay, so I hope presenting. Yeah, the presentation is ready here. So I have generated the PowerPoint presentation. So just click this. Yeah. So this is already downloaded. Okay, so just open this. Yeah. So this is a PowerPoint. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Not yet, sir.
Just right.
No, sir.
Just wait, sir. Just wait. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Visible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir. Visible.
this this presentation I have generated from the education copilot. Okay, so this is my first slide. So introduction to graph theory. So this is my first slide. Graph theory is a branch of mathematics that studies the properties and blah content. So this is my second slide, representation of graph, and this is my third slide, connectivity. This is my fourth slide, paths and cycle, and this is my fifth slide. Like that, I have generated around 15 slides, okay, including the summary. So like that, we can build the PowerPoint as well from this particular education copilot. Is there any queries?
Sir, totally 5 applications or per day 5 applications, or is there any limitation?
So I think it's totally five, sir.
Totally 5.
Yeah.
Then, okay.
Sir, like
Tommy
this
is
is
there.
a
Tommy is there on software. It is, you can make many
Yeah, yeah.
PowerPoint and produce it. Yeah,
That is a next agenda, sir. So,
right, sir.
yeah,
So, like this is a general PPT. If we want to get a specific PPT on a specific course content or specific content,
yeah. Okay.
then we will have to type the whole content here, or how can we do so?
In the topic or lesson area, you need to put the specific question. So for example, I want connected graph, the lecture notes from the connected graph. You need to put the connected graph only.
Okay.
the connected graph, the same content will be applicable in our output. Is there any other queries? Okay, so shall we move on to the next agenda? Okay, so the next agenda is the Tome AI. So this is our Tome AI website. Okay, so I hope all of you are aware about little bit aware about the Tome AI for making presentation. Okay, so the presentation point of view, the Tome AI will be very helpful to create the generic presentation. Okay, so this I have added. Just right. Yeah. So this is a after login this Tome AI. So this is a home page, and in this home page we have a template. So just click this template tab. So here we have around many templates, like thousand templates is available here. We can generate this particular template, or we can create scratch itself. Okay, so this I have entered here. I want to make introduction to graph theory PPT. Introduction to graph theory. So this is my query. So just hit enter. This is in process. Here we have several templates. Just I can choose this template. Yeah, this is an introduction to graph theory page, vertices and edges. So the graph theory, a vertex is also called the node, and is a point or located in the graph. Okay, like that. Like we can create any slides. Okay, so if you want to add the next page, so just here add the. We can choose the templates like that. Okay, we can choose this one for heading, and we need to create connected graph. So like that we can create any number of slides. So this is a Tome AI for presentation making. So here we have some limitations. So this is a developing AI application. So there are many simple content is available. Okay. If you want your a particular area, so the content will not be. Sometimes this content will not be available in the particular website. Okay. So in this purpose, we are in our in our college we are using the Microsoft AI to creating this PowerPoint. Okay, so these are all the content developed from generated from Chat GPT, and we have copy and paste over to PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint will get this type of presentation. So these contents are developed from the Chat GPT, and we have designed this PPT in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is also now the online platform. Here also we can use some AI applications. So like we have a designing options is available here. So this is a designer. We can change the template and we can change the layout. We can change the. I hope all of you are aware about this. Just by we can uh, make this. Okay. So we can generate. So these type of PowerPoint from the Microsoft PowerPoint. It's an online portal.
Sir, in ChatGPT, can you provide how to ask in ChatGPT for to create this PPT, please?
Yeah, sure. We
One
can
time, please.
create. Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
I have. So this is my query. So provide the detailed content for the changing the landscape of education. I will provide this prompt. So the ChatGPT provide the changing the landscape of education. This is my slide number 3. So just copy this content and can post. We can paste this. I have added the new slide. So this is my new slide. This I have pasted the. So this is my subtitle. This I have pasted. So this is my slide. The changing landscape of education. Uh, the Microsoft PowerPoint provide the many templates like this. Okay, so the next slide I can paste these content. So just copy this. There are many contents. This is slide number 3. Just copy this. You can copy this and paste it over to this page. So like that, we can generate the PowerPoint presentation by using the Microsoft Office PowerPoint online tool.
So this
So
is
this is,
free.
yeah, this is absolutely free, ma'am. We need to create a Microsoft account.
Okay, sir.
So here we need to use ChatGPT for the content preparation, and we need to create. If you want to create the PowerPoint, we need to use the Microsoft PowerPoint. So
Sir,
we can
sir,
create.
uh,
Yeah,
sir,
yes,
if we
ma'am.
want sir, if we want to insert certain mathematical equations, sir, for that we have to use the special symbols which are not available here. What we do is we type certain commands in LaTeX and then we get PPT. So, sir, how can we get it over here if we want to make a PowerPoint presentation here and we want to insert mathematical equations? How can we do it here?
Yes, that is limitation for here. Okay, we can after making this presentation, we can download this particular presentation and we can edit with offline PowerPoint. We can add the equations. In
Okay, sir.
online portal, there is no option for adding the equations. So after completion of your presentation, just download that particular presentation. You can add equations and graphs like that in offline.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. there any other queries?
Sir, our final students may need to make effective CVs. So, I mean, similar way, do we have any tool for making CV from Word?
So CV preparation, we have many AI tools available in the forum. So we have a many AI tools, sir. If you put the name and if you they can ask, they have asked some questions, sir. If you put that particular question, so automated generated we have. It's available in the forum.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, sure. There are many AI tools available for making CV. Is there any other queries?
Sir, normally we used to generate the PowerPoint normally, but online PowerPoint means what you have to do. We have to create a account. We don't know how to create a online PowerPoint.
So this is
Generally,
a free version, sir. If you go with Microsoft Office, so just
uh,
Microsoft Office 365.
mhm.
So this is a website, and we can create our account here. You can create a mail ID, email ID.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like
No, Office will be downloaded, but online slide you are explaining about the.
yeah. So this is an online
Mm-hmm.
portal, sir. So here
Uh-huh.
we have a option menu. So if you click this, we have a certain tools available here. So like Outlook and Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and we have a OneNote and Forms. Like that, we have many tools available in a Microsoft account. So just if you click, if you want to click this Word, so this is a Microsoft Word online. Okay, so just we can create the template. So here also we can create the CVs. Okay, so there are many templates available for this particular online portal. We can change the CV as well. So this is a blank document.
Yes, okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, so this is a look like normal Word, MS Word. So the same similar options available here. So the same similar process for making a PowerPoint. So this is a PowerPoint. So just I have opened in new tab. So this is a PowerPoint. So here we have many templates available. So just I want to create the blank presentation. So this is my blank presentation. Just we need to create, uh, for example, AI powered content creation. This is my title and paste it over here. Yeah. So this type of suggestions will be provided for AI. So these are all the suggestions we can choose in any one. So these are all the templates. So like AI power content creation. So many suggestions will provide.
So, hello.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So, I have installed that, but it is asking to buy the Microsoft 365. Like it's showing the Microsoft Office as to buy. Even I signed in through my email, but it
Okay,
is not
ma'am.
coming freely. So, how can we do that, sir?
Ma'am, after the session, I will help you. I will help, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sir.
Is there any other queries?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Shall we? Yeah, yes.
sir, is this the normal PPT combined with the AI tools, right?
Yeah, yes.
So what is the tool combined with the PPT? AI tools. Any specific tool?
This is no, so there is no specific tools. This is a AI, Microsoft based AI. So here
Okay.
we have we get this suggestion from the designer. For
Okay. Okay.
example, we can create some attractive template here. So
Okay,
normal
sir.
offline PPT, so there is no
Okay.
suggestion. But if
Okay.
you use an online, so they provide
Okay.
some designing ideas.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, so next we move on to Rosie AI. Okay, so this is also one of the tool. So this is a yeah. So this is a AI tool, Rosie.ai. Okay, so here also we can create the lesson plan and lesson content in many topics. So like we'll see. So create your first lesson. Just I have created. For my first lesson is yeah. So this is a home page. I want to generate the lesson plan and as well as, for example, generate a lesson. Here we have many options like pick an article from our feed. Okay, so for example, if I have some article for your particular domain, for example, I need to create the graph theory, just graph theory article, sorry, lecture notes. Yeah, so here we have a lecture notes on graph theory. I don't know this website. So just copy this link. So just copy this particular link and paste into, just open this. So already we have many areas. We need to search over here. So these are all the article available in this forum. Okay, so just you can choose in any article we can generate. Okay, so the next one is link any article from the web. So just click this. I have copied this that particular link here. So I think that is a PDF. We need to change some other articles. This is also PDF. This is also PDF. We need an article. Yeah. So this is an article. So this article is at tutorialpoint.com. So thank you for the tutorialpoint.com for providing this content. So just copy this link and paste over to this window. Just I want to create lesson. So just click the generation. Just create lesson. Yeah, simply it provide so article summary and vocabulary and activity based questions. So like so this is our full lecture available in this particular website. Okay, so this is a website. So there are graph theory tutorial, audience, prerequisites. We have many concepts available here. So based on this tutorial, we can summarize this particular content here. Okay, so this is my today's lesson, and here the article summary. Okay, so this tutorial provides introduction about the fundamental graph theory. It covers the types of graphs, their properties, trees. Like that, we can create our own content. Okay, so this is all the vocabulary I need to use in our class. Okay, so first graph, the ability to visit, reach all the vertices of graphs by the following its edges, and this is a covering, matching, graph theory, and coloring, traversability. So like that vocabulary I need to use in our class. So these are all the activity based questionnaire as well. So graph theory is a branch of mathematics. The tutorial is written by the technical style. Like that we can get. Okay, so we can download this particular content as a PDF format as well. Okay, so uh, this is a next tool. Suppose you have a video lecture. If you have a video lecture, we can create the summary from the video lecture as well. Okay, so just click the generate lesson. Here we have a link to an YouTube video. So just click this. Here I have a this is thank you for this channel for providing this content for education purpose. So for example, I have copied the video URL. So just paste here. So just create the generate lesson. It will provide the summary of the particular video, and it provide the detailed lesson plan and content as well. So just create lesson. Yeah, so this is a video summary, and oh, I think this video in it's not in English. You need to we need in video in English language. So thank you for this channel providing the content for education purpose. So just keep that. Just have a copy video URL and paste over to. So just generate lesson, create lesson. It provide the video summary. So based on this video summary, so it provides some content for our preparation of a class. So this is useful for creating our lecture notes. So these are all the vocabulary for using for our session. Okay, so based on this we can create. So this is one of the tool, and the next tool is explain paper. Yeah. So this is a tool for explain paper. So this explain paper is particularly useful for you are preparing your class. For example, you want to prepare your class as a graph theory. So we need to upload your textbook here. Okay, so like I need to upload the textbook. Just right. So this is my textbook. I just drag and drop over here. Just wait for a few seconds.
Sir, one small doubt.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, if you drag and drop the PPT, automatically it will separate the content, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. So this is my textbook. It is available in this explain paper. If you want to prepare this particular lecture, we have raised some doubts. So, for example, just wait. This is loading. I'll explain.
sir, any specific tool?
So, yeah, this tool name is explain paper. This is very, very useful
I
for
couldn't.
research purpose. If you want to read
Yeah, sir.
any
Any
journal by using this, yeah, yes,
tool name, sir? Any specific tool for
explain paper.
sir?
The
Explain
tool name
paper,
is
right?
explain paper, sir. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will search in Google.
just wait. Loading.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
How can we read journal through this? You were just saying.
So just you can upload the particular journal through this website. You can access that particular paper. Just wait. This is very, very this is already we have taken in AI tools for research. So this will be helpful for preparation of your class. That's why again we have introduced this tool for the teaching purpose. So this tool already we have
Can,
discussed in the previous workshop. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
sir, can we get link for that workshop?
Yeah, yes, I have already shared. Okay, I will share, ma'am.
So in our WhatsApp group or in
Already,
this chat, if we get the
sure, sure, sure. Text me in WhatsApp. I will share. I think that book has huge number of pages. That's why it's delayed.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah, yes.
there are two types of PDF. Sometimes the PDF is image type. So that type of PDF is also working here.
No, sir. That type of
No.
PDFs not. So if it is in a
Okay, okay.
PDF format, so this will be accessed here. So if it is in a
Okay.
some other format, that will not be open. So just so this is a size comparing to that. This is a lower size. I think so it's take too much of time. So upload another one material. Just I have downloaded this lecture notes. This is open source. We can access any number of files.
You're not audible, sir. You cannot hear.
Yeah, so sorry. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so in this particular AI tool, will explore the educational content. For example, I want to prepare uh, this particular topic. For example, import graphs and graph classes. So this is my today's, for example, this is my today's lecture. I have a doubt. I want to prepare this particular topic for my lecture series. Okay, suppose I have prepared this particular topic. I have doubt regarding this complete graph. So just highlighted this complete graph. So here we have another one options, that is explain. Okay, so just for example, have doubts in complete clicks. I have doubt regarding this click. So just how to highlight this click. So here we have appear for the explain button. So just click the explain button. So here this AI tool provide the expansion of the click. For example, in graph theory, the click refers to subset of vertices in graph where every pair of vertices is connected by an edge. It can be visualized as a complete subgraph, meaning that all the vertices within the subsets are directly connected to each other. Okay, so like that. For example, another one query. So like I have a doubts regarding the natural number. If you study this, I have a doubt regarding what I don't know what is the natural number. So just you need to highlight that natural number here, just here in this window. So the explain button available. So just click this explain. It will explain what is a natural number. Okay, in mathematics, a natural numbers refers to a positive integer greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so this is a definition of the natural number. Okay, like that we can prepare any subject with the help of this explain paper. Okay, so this will be used very useful for your research. If you want to study any journal or if you want to read any journal, so this particular tool, it will be very useful to read a paper quick manner. Okay, so we'll do the next as well. For example, I don't know what is a degree, so just highlight this degree here. So here it will appear for explain. So just click explain. So this will explain what is a degree. Yeah. So is it visible? Just wait, I'll zoom this particular content. Yeah. So this is a degree. In graph theory, the concept of degree refers to the number of edges that are connected to the particular vertex in graph. The degree of a vertex is determined by counting the number of edges incident to the vertex. Okay. So like that, we have prepared our class. Okay. Suppose if you have a doubts in this particular comment, we can use this question. For example, ask the follow. I have a doubt regarding incident. Okay, I have doubt regarding the incident. Just ask follow button. So this will solve. This will explain this particular incident concept. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this particular AI tool. Is there any query?
No, sir.
So this is already we have explained in research workshop as well. AI tools for research. Okay, so I hope there is no query regarding this particular AI tool. So next we move on to the teacher spot AI. Okay, so this is also the similar for previously we have seen education copilot. The education copilot and teacher spot AI is similar the working process. This right. Yeah. So this is a teacher pot AI. So just yeah, this is a home page for the teacher pot AI. Okay, so in this tool, this is a URL. I will share this URL in our handouts soon after completing this session. Okay, so this is a home page. So in this particular home page, we have several options like create anything, reading, writing exam plus, and forward planning. Okay, so like that, if you want to create any content over the create anything button. Okay, so just I have created create anything. So just I want to create graph theory lecture notes. Graph theory lecture note. Okay, so after completing this prompt, so just click the create button. So take minimal time. Yeah, so this is a lecture notes about graph theory. Okay, for example, here the some lecture notes on graph theory. So introduction to graph theory. This lecture provides the overview of the graph theory, including the definition, graph, vertices, edges, and degrees. It is also introduced the basic graph properties such as connectedness, cycle, and paths. Okay, so this is a content we can download as a PDF format. So we can create the complexity level as well. Okay, so if you want to create, if you teach an undergraduate level, you can fix the complexity level as a undergraduate level. If you want to teach this particular concept in postgraduate, we can fix the complexity. Okay, so like that we can fix the complexity level, and we can differentiate the concept. For example, here we have some content generator. If you want to differentiate this, we can we can differentiate any topics over here. Okay, so this is a tool for creating anything. So, and we have some other tools. For example, reading purpose. If you want to read anything here, for example, uh, so this is for for your subject. If you want to read anything here, for example, I want to read any novel. It is available here. Yeah. So this is a chapter introduction to the graph theory. So here we have generated the basic concepts of graph theory. So like that we can study or we can prepare our classes.
Sir, can we chat like you were just generating the content on graph theory? If we want a level more or something, like we can chat in chat GPT, we can chat and we can ask to provide this and provide this. Can we chat here as well?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, that is possible here. Okay, so the next one is writing exemplar. So this writing exemplar is it is useful for in creating more examples. For example, uh, if you want to create example of complete graph, so the particular tab will do. Okay, so the forward planning, the same similar concepts. It is a forward planning. So forward planning is used to check the content it is available in the previous literatures. Okay, so I hope is there any query regarding this particular tool?
No, sir.
So I didn't get what is this forward planning for.
Yeah, so we can check that forward planning. So the forward planning is nothing but, so we can ask curriculum based questions. For example, uh, uh, this is applicable for the school students who is studying in the board. For example, we have several boards, for example NCRT, CBSE, so like that. So the forward planning is useful to getting the particular content from particular board. For example, in Tamil Nadu we have a TN board, we have a matriculations, we have a CBSE, we have ISC syllabus. So if you want to get the particular content from particular board, we need to use this particular tab.
Okay.
So this is applicable for the schools as well. Any subject. Here the subject is not a matter. You can create content for any subjects in any area. Okay, so is there any other queries in today's session?
Hello. Sir, can you suggest a most powerful AI tool for this OCR?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, can you suggest a powerful AI tool for OCR?
OCR converter, is it correct?
Yeah, because suppose we are having some, like someone asked earlier, that if we are having some, doc and we wish to convert in Word form, then sometimes it is old research paper or old university question paper. Then we wish to convert it in Word form. So is there AI powered OCR?
Yeah, if you take that particular content in image format, we can take the screenshot. So the Google itself, we have a this Google Lens. If you can drag and draft here, so that will make a content. For example, you can download in any image in OCR format. OCR content. I don't have that particular OCR document. It's here.
Okay, so this lens will work, sir?
Yeah, this will be work, sir. For example, here we can convert any image into the text format.
Okay.
So otherwise, we have another tools, OCR2 text converter. We have the AI tool, the same AI tools available here. OCR2 text converter. We have many tools available in the internet. So this is a free online OCR image to image and PDF to doc converter. Okay, so I have used this particular tool for converting the image and OCR content.
Okay, okay. Actually, I tried those one, but I thought that AI OCR maybe proved to be, more powerful.
Yeah, sure. So we can take the image format. That image will be converted into the text. That is one of the
Okay.
easiest way. If you
Okay,
put the full document, so that take many time.
okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Is there any other queries?
Sir, in that, is there any mathematical symbols, whether it will be printed or the image form, if it is there, whether a sigma or anything, alpha, beta, gamma, anything, the symbol mathematical, it will be produced as a letter. Is it possible in that through online OCR?
I think not that I have tried, sir.
Okay. Sir. Yeah, many things are symbols. It is not giving properly, so that's why I'm asking. So word, it is okay. So many are there, but any symbols, say little mathematical terms, I could not able to identify the symbols, mathematical symbols. Such type any AI tool, if it is there, just I am asking.
Sure, sir. I will post the article in our WhatsApp group
Yes, sir.
after
Sure.
clarifying the particular question. Sorry.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, sir,
Sir,
can you please tell, about any AI which can transcribe audio into text?
yeah, there are many tools available. For example, in our mobile phone itself, we have a audio translation. If you speak your voice, so that can be translated in the text. So we have
Sir, if I
many
have
tools
any
available.
audio file, if I have any audio file, I want to transcribe it into text.
Yes. We have an AI, ma'am. I will share in if, text me in personal. I will share that tool.
Okay, sir.
We have many tools available. So text me in WhatsApp. I will share.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Dear participants, is there any query?
Sir, it will be great if you can share the list of your suggested AI tools for research and this teaching in WhatsApp group.
Yeah, sure, sir. So that WhatsApp group, we request to stay over there. So we are providing the continuous suggestion of AI tools for as well as your research and as well as your teaching methodology. We are providing AI tools. What are all the tools for available in the market? Continuously, we are
Okay.
providing the information.
Yeah.
So kindly stay back on the WhatsApp group.
Sure, sir.
Sure.
The same WhatsApp group which you have created for this workshop, or is there some other WhatsApp group as well?
The same WhatsApp group, ma'am. The same WhatsApp.
The one which is created for this workshop?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, can you please share any of this workshop which you are conducting? Please share in that group itself, sir. Because it will be
Sure.
very useful, sir. Yesterday it's very useful, and today also it is very useful, sir. So
Thank you,
please
sir.
share please share any of the workshops which you are conducting, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So, if you want to conduct any workshop in your institution as well, we are in Mathematical Professors Association ready for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
based
sir.
on the willingness, we are providing the workshop in your students' community as well.
So,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
your hello, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Share your number on the group, sir. We will contact you for the upcoming workshop in our colleges.
Sure, sir. I will post the text box.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very informative and useful for all of us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, shall we wind up? Okay, so thank you for everyone for your passionable listening. Okay, so I thank Indian Mathematics Professors Association and Infinity Research and Development Institute uh, president and as well as office bearers and our advisors for giving me this great opportunity to interact or uh, bring, for the teaching community. So thank you, and also thank our participants for your reasonable listening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your valuable session, sir. We have learned so many things. Your session will reduce our time for our work. The time will be useful for the improve our skills. It's really wonderful session, sir. We are struggling so many things for our work, but this AI tools will reduce our time, and the time will be saved for the another skills. I thank you so much, sir. Regarding to the Indian Mathematical Professors Association and Infinity Research and Development. I thank you all my dear participants who are listening peacefully and learning all this content. And thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. That is our intent. As a teaching community, we are more concentrated on the research. We are wasting our time to make a lesson plan, question bank, blah blah content. If you save your time in this particular document preparation, we can more concentrated on your research area. So that's why we are intently presented this concepts in through the Indian Mathematical Professors Association. Thank you.